what's up? I'm going to show you how to play Saved My Life on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. So for this song, you're going to want to put your capo on 8. The chords you'll need are A minor, C, F, G, and E minor. All I'm doing is going from A minor to C, so A minor, and then you're picking up your ring finger and moving it to the C, so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, no worries. Just replay the video. You'll get it.